In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Semrush Keyword Strategy Builder, all in just 5 minutes. If you've been looking for a way to enhance your SEO strategy with precise keyword research, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive in together and explore how you can make the most out of this tool. First, you'll want to start by searching for Semrush in your web browser and logging into your account. If you haven't yet created an account, it's straightforward to sign up. Once logged in, we're ready to start building an effective keyword strategy. For those who might be new to Semrush, this platform is invaluable for anyone looking to boost their online visibility. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for SEO, and today, our focus is on the Keyword Strategy Builder. Now, once you're in, start by entering a few relevant seed keywords into the Keyword Strategy Builder. These keywords should be closely related to your business or content focus. Think about what your audience might be searching for when they're looking for products or services like yours. This is where having a deep understanding of your target market really comes into play, as these seed keywords will help generate a plethora of additional keyword ideas. The tool relies on these seeds to provide suggestions that might not be immediately obvious but could offer substantial SEO value. Next, you'll want to explore the topical overview. This feature within Semrush allows you to see how your keywords fit into broader topics, helping you to identify potential pillar pages. Pillar pages are comprehensive resources that cover everything about a main topic, while subpages delve into more detailed aspects of these topics. This structure not only enhances SEO by improving site navigation, but also establishes your site as an authority in your niche. As you delve deeper into this overview, take time to refine and filter the keyword suggestions. Semrush offers numerous filters to help you zero in on the most effective keywords. For instance, you can adjust based on search volume, keyword difficulty, and cost per click, to name a few. Consider the competitiveness of each keyword. Balancing long-tail keywords, those more specific phrases with lower search volume, against broader terms, can often yield the best results for driving traffic and conversions. Once these keywords are identified and organized into pillars and subtopics, it's time to create content. Crafting content around these keywords helps in drawing the right audience to your site. Remember, the aim is not just to attract traffic, but also to engage visitors with valuable and relevant content that meets their needs. Finally, don't forget to export and manage your keyword list. Semrush allows you to easily export your research, making it simple to share with your team or keep for future reference. Regularly updating this list and tracking keyword performance helps ensure you stay ahead in the competitive landscape of online search. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Semrush Keyword Strategy Builder to enhance your content strategy and expand your online reach. Now, with this foundational knowledge, you're ready to take your SEO game to the next level. Thank you for joining me today. Happy strategizing.